components of our strategy have been the promotion of livelihood diversification or alternative livelihoods and the development of community-based tourism initiatives. Now the Foundation does not wish to continuously operate a tourism initiative. However, we have recognized that in the area that we're from in Portland, as lovely as it is, there is a gap. And so we decided that we wanted to establish a community-based tourism to achieve a couple of things. One was to market the area in terms of its offerings, so dive tourism, snorkeling, kayaking, other non-motorized and water-based activities, and also to train the community members in order for them to have the professionalism and to be able to meet the standards that are required of TPD code, the JTB and others in terms of both certification and practices on the